Hi, and welcome to Behind Better Homes. I am Ankita, and like I promised you in the last episode, I will take you on a journey to explore K Better Homes. In every episode, we will visit one project by the brand and check out what makes K better. K Better Homes is set out with an aim to take the elite lifestyle to different pockets of Pune city. K-Town is one such project that is changing lifestyle standards of Kivle. Over the past few years, Kivle has witnessed fast development. The locality is slowly becoming popular amongst the home buyers. And one of the biggest reasons for this is the seamless connectivity that Kivle has. It is strategically located at the intersection of Old Mumbai Highway, Katras Dehu Road and Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and has a strong social infrastructure that makes everyday life easy and convenient. All the popular employment hubs right from Hinjawadi IT Park to Pimpri Chinchwad Industrial Belt are 30 minutes away from you, making it a perfect destination for home buying. To top it all, there is an upcoming high street, Flow Kivle, just around the corner, and it is sure to elevate the overall vibe and value of the locality. I have reached K-Town and the place looks amazing. K-Town promises a super luxurious lifestyle and a vast spread of amenities that ensure your physical and mental well-being. Play area for kids, tennis courts, senior citizen park, meditation and yoga area, infinity pool, walkers track are just few of the amenities here. While the amenities are amazing, I've heard that the homes are scintillating. The 3 BHK apartment here ranges from 1005 square feet to 1041 square feet in area, and as you enter the house, you are sure to be mesmerized. The living room is nicely spacious and has a perfect layout for the furniture arrangement. The warm and welcoming vibe of it is sure to make your catching up with friends and family time pleasant. There's a snug balcony here that makes for a really cozy sit-out corner and gives you a soothing view as you relax. The balcony doors have a unique system which can be locked only from inside the house, so you can avoid being locked out in the balcony by accident. What's impressive is that there are dedicated AC and Wi-Fi points, and yet there are no wires hanging around. This is because all the wiring is discreetly hiding in the walls, making all these installations convenient. The living room extends into a comfortable dining space near the kitchen, and as you move beyond the dining area, you'll find a beautifully spacious kitchen that's quite impressive. The large UPVC windows let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel even airier and more open than it already is. Gone are the days of cramped up cooking, as this kitchen is well designed with dedicated spaces for all your kitchen gadgets, providing you a highly convenient setup. No more struggling with plug points and wires while arranging your fridge and microwave in the kitchen. In addition, the kitchen also has a separate designated area for washing machine and a special service slab for drying clothes. The layout of the home is designed in a way that is aesthetically pleasing and gives you a convenient living. Like you can see here, the bedrooms are bigger as compared to the usual bedroom sizes that you will find in this locality. Once again, K has excelled in space planning, and this is evident in the bedroom arrangements. Despite having everything from wardrobes to dressers, the room feels spacious and uncluttered. The guest bedroom boasts large UPVC windows, while the master bedroom leads to a balcony, ensuring ample natural ventilation and light that effortlessly flows into every nook and corner of your home. And that's not all. The bathrooms here are classy looking and comfortably spacious. The tiles and fitments have a very stylish look. Every bathroom has a different theme, and you will find different color combinations in terms of tiles and fitments to add that sense of elite lifestyle to your home. Every little detail here makes a difference to the entire living experience. Like these anti-skid wooden finish tiles, gives this home a rich vibe while making sure there are no mishaps. The fire detectors and sprinklers in every room give you complete safety. The UPVC windows here cancel 80% of noise, so when they say peaceful living, they literally mean it. I am totally impressed. K-Town does set the bar pretty high as compared to other properties in Kivli. What I really like about this place is that every single detail that you would otherwise ignore is focused on. And trust me, each of it plays a big role in making your living experience extraordinary. Don't believe me? Come see for yourself. And make sure that you look around before you come here, because only then you'll know that K-Town is indeed better.